Hey, I'm Jessica with Electra and today I'm going to share how to turn your basic everyday makeup look into something more party ready since the holidays are upon us. And you might be thinking, Jess, I'm here for all of your smoky eyes and your fancy makeup, but I just really don't care to learn all of that. I just don't care. If I want something like that, I'll hire a makeup artist. What can you give me with practically no skill at all that I can zhuzh myself up for holiday parties? I got you. You know what I'm going to say probably if you've been following me for any amount of time, but if you don't, just add glitter. It's that easy. So you can do a few things. You can do all of these at once. You can pick one, choose, but stay with me. So again, this is a very basic makeup look I have on here. Nothing crazy, but the first thing I'm going to do is add, instead of highlighter to the cheeks, I'm going to add some body glitter. This is the Chanel Legit. I'm not going to try to pronounce this, but it's by Chanel. This was in their holiday collection last year. It's stunning, but it was limited edition. So any body glitter will do. There is tons. The thing you want is for it to be very, very fine glitter. If it's chunky, it veers into Halloween costumey territory. This is going to look gorgeous. So I'm picking up some of this gel. And again, if you can't find something like this, you can find like Makeup Forever Diamond Powder is amazing. You can use like eyelash glue even to stick it on. It's amazing. So I've got this glitter. I'm going to tap all the excess off onto the back of my hand. And then I'm going to feel my cheekbone. Okay, it's right here. And on the top of that cheekbone, which goes to about right here, I'm just going to start tapping the glitter. So if you like highlighter, like liquid highlighter or cream highlighter, this is the exact same place you would put that, but this is glitter. So it's not super visible right now on camera, but that's kind of what we want, right? We're going for subtlety and like grown-up glitter and not Halloween costume. This is going to give you just a subtle hint of light. My biggest tip is if you like go to the center of your eye in, don't let it go in that area because then it can come off as kind of oily. But this is just a beautiful product, and if you're wearing like a strapless or one shoulder, you can literally rub this into your body too and it'll be so flawless. The next area you can zhuzh is your lips. Now this is a product by Pat McGrath and it's her Opulust lip gloss. So as you can see, this is some legit glitter, but as you can see, it's kind of a really pretty neutral gold situation that just looks a little metallic. It's not scary at all, but I'm going to show you a trick, and this is also really fun if you're wearing a mask. I have my tissue here. I don't know if you could tell what I did, but I pulled off sort of the liquid part of this lip gloss and it has just left the glitter behind. So now it barely moves, and this is mask friendly, and then you have some glitter on your lips. So now we have glitter on our lips and our cheeks. We still don't look crazy. We're gonna add glitter one more area though, because why not? Of course, you guessed, we're going for the eyes. This is the Urban Decay Moondust eyeshadow. This is the shade Interstellar. These are gorgeous, really super fine glitter pigments, and they're $22, but I've had these forever. And they are such a beautiful grown-up sparkle that are pretty foolproof. So all I'm gonna do is take this and I'm gonna tap it starting in the center of my eye. And then I'm gonna go out just a little bit. And as you can see, it's almost a metallic finish, but up close, it's definitely little particles of glitter. And again, we want this to be very sophisticated, so something that's just gonna give a little light to the face is all we're looking for. So that's it. We have done grown-up glitter. You have not had to change. It's just a very simple makeup look beforehand, and you haven't had to change a thing. We've just added some glitter lip gloss, body glitter, and a little on the eyes, and now you're ready to party. So thank you so much for watching and subscribing. If you like what you saw, you can say thank you by subscribing and telling all of your friends to do the same. Hang out with me on Electra Lane on Instagram. Go to electralane.com if you want to learn more, book a makeup lesson, and I hope you have a great time partying like the disco ball that you are.